What's happening? In this video I'm going to show how to install the Dremel Flex Shaft onto the Dremel 4300 tool and how I do my setup for carving with the clamp and a ladder. So let's go. Alright, so let's open up the case. Alright, so here's the Flex Shaft. Here's the Dremel. The tool. Alright guys, so the first step to installing the Dremel Flex Shaft is to remove everything off the Dremel tool. So first thing, I'm going to hold down the lock button and unscrew the chuck. Alright, then you want to take off the cap here, unscrew that off. So you're just bare with the shaft of the tool, the motor tool. Next step is to install the driver cap onto the shaft. So I have it in here. This right here is the driver cap. Make sure you have this before you install the flex shaft. So I'm going to screw this one on right here. Hold down the lock button. Tighten it up. Use the little wrench. Some nice tight snug. Alright, not too tight. Make sure it doesn't spin off with your hand. There we go. Pretty good. And now you take this end of your flex shaft with the little rod in the middle. Now you feed it in the hole here. Okay, then you bring it down and screw this on. Just like that. And then out on this part, you can put in your collet. So then I would go and take out the collet nut right here. And then the collet insert. And you take a bit. So you put the collet inside here. And you can attach it to here. Put in your bit. I like to put it like almost halfway in. Then you hold this button to lock it in. There it goes, locked in. Tighten it up. Take your wrench. Give it a good snug. Alright, and it's ready to go. So now I'm going to show you how I hang this up so it can be suspended in the air and easier to work with the flex shaft. And what I do is I use a clamp with a long end here and a ladder or something to clamp this up. So let's get right to it. Alright, so how I like to set it up is I'll grab a ladder. Grab the ladder. So take a piece of wood, a little scrap piece of wood. I'll put it inside the ladder on the side here. Then I'll take my clamp. This. Tighten right up. A little tight so it doesn't fall down. Alright, then you take the tool, put the little hanger on it, hook it right up. Now it's all set up and I'm ready to get to work. And let's get to carving. Alright guys, so this is it for that quick little how to set up the flex shaft on the Dremel 4300 and how I do my setup, having it raised up and easier to work with it. And thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, give me some thumbs ups, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you later. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel.